Alright, it's, we got here, crispy. 118. I got the SSRs loaded up in the back. It is a Monday. We're gonna go get these tires put on and then throw them on the WRX. So I don't hit it right now. So we're gonna go visit Aiden again to have him put tires on these things now instead of take them off. Catch you guys there. I will see you tomorrow. Oh my god, it's hot. So, big bummer. Get out of here, crispy. Big bummer. 3 of 4 of the wheels are all good. 1 out of 4 of the wheels is leaking air. So, we found the hole. It's like a tiny little pinhole in the silicone. So I'm just gonna go home and throw another small little bead of silicone on it, make sure everything's tight, and then come back tomorrow and then get that wheel put on. Alright, so I got that wheel all sealed up again, tightened. Just gonna let it sit for another day or so. Drop the wheels back off to Aiden, and he's gonna put those on. But for now, we're gonna throw the other 2 that I have on that side of my car. And Pepper's whining over there after he goes ahead. Let's go say hi to him. Hi. Hi. Hi, Pepper. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Ow. Why you just cut? That's a bumper for you. I'm pretty sad though, because don't worry about it. Because after like 2 years with this front lip, I mean, I wouldn't say I broke it, but like I broke right there. So I'm not touching this side today since the other wheel is drying. There are 2 wheels on this side, so you can see fully how it looks.
Now it's my pleasure to introduce. Thank you very much.
That was fast. If you're wondering where the center caps are, I'm gonna clean them. I have them all 4, but I really like it. The back fitment is mint. I'm just a little worried I'm gonna rub. I'm gonna go up in fender, but I'm supposed to be getting some 32Ks here in the next couple days or like week or something like that. Or I can just add a little bit more camber, but that's what I'll probably end up doing. And then with the front, I do think I'm just gonna get like a 10 or a 15 millimeter spacer. It's because it's pretty bad up front right now. So order a spacer tonight or something like that. I can't honestly go much lower than this because my skirt is literally less than 2 fingers above the floor. If I would drop it any more, I'd have to go get these shortened, and I just got these back, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. So for now, I'm just gonna try to focus on getting this poked out more. Once that wheel gets all dialed in, got a tire on it and everything, I'm gonna go around, button up everything like this. This is gonna get, to be honest, zip tied to the side. Same with the other side. Right there, these wheels given back to Chris. The fitment up front on these wheels are a lot better though, but still poke them out a little bit more. Dirty ass car right now, but damn. Looks nice. I missed having 3-piece chrome wheels. I do want to get the faces of these chrome though, because I mean they got some chips in them and they're kind of paint peeling everywhere. Anyways, I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like the new wheels. They look really good in my opinion. My favorite wheels so far. I really do think they top KF's. We should be back up and running soon, and then we can make more content with it. It should be fun. Anyways,